Welcome to Crystal Water Fishing. I'm Scott Norton. Today we've got very warm weather conditions. We also have post-frontal conditions. So it looks like we're not going to have much of any overcast, and I predict it's probably going to be a day that you have to work for them, and possibly a finesse day. But we'll find out how their attitudes are today. Come with me. Yeah, he's a big fish, but he's not the one I'm after. Okay. All right. Well, I got a nice, looks like a channel cat. Sure was fun to catch though. Good sized fish. Dang. Thought that was a bass at first, but nah. Woo. Whoa, we got my ass in the net. Oh my gosh, here's a 5-pounder. Coming on this side. That ain't a 5. It's a 3. Got him? Yes! That ain't close. Son. Dude, that ain't close. Woo! That ain't close to a 5. Yeah, baby! Oh, he tried to bite. Ready? You gotta get it closer to the camera than that, though. That's about as close as I can get, dude. Swallow that fire on that. You see, Red Riding Hood in the river the other day? Yeah. So officially, I know this is a small one. However, I have 3 bass. Get out of here. Come here. I have officially 3 bass. I didn't get up at 5 a.m. I got up at 9 o'clock. Scott's been out here since 6. And all he caught was a nasty old catfish. Look at there. 3 bass to Bill Dad's wannabe in Lake Glenville. This is a good day to be on the lake. There we go. Probably about a 3-pound class, maybe close to 4.
About time.
Yeah, it's about time.
All day.
Just got them on a Kitech. Not too bad. Been working at it hard all day. Caught a good catfish earlier, but hey, that right there sealed the deal. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. It was hard. There was no wind on the lake. We had to find places where there were current in the water, which were where the water flow was coming into the lake. There were so many bass in those areas, but none of the bass were biting. You just had to cover lots of water and spend lots of time doing it. So some days they turn out like that, and no matter how good a fisherman you are, you'll run across them. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.